Before we start, here's what you will need: a GoPro camera, your smartphone or your iPad, GoPro Quik app installed on your phone, and then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled in that. Now let's prepare the camera. First of all, I will turn on the GoPro, and once it's on, I will just swipe down. I will go to right. Normally everyone will do this mistake, they will go on pair device. This is what makes you pro. You come on the preferences, and before you do that, go to your wireless connections, make sure it's on, and then once, at least once, if you're doing it for the first time, reset all. Once you do that, it will turn off and turn on. Now I will go again, and now I can go on pair a new device. This will activate camera's wireless connection so your phone can find it. Now it's ready to be on your app. So let's go to the app. Make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone or iPad is enabled. Now I will open GoPro Quik app, and here if you want you can create an account or sign in. I will just continue as guest, and I will click on this GoPro icon down, you can see, and connect a GoPro. Once I do that, we know that my camera was ready there, so it will already pop here. I will say connect, say pair with the Bluetooth, and then you can hear the camera paired. Okay, now the camera is connected, and I can rename my camera here, and I will return and I will say save name. Now I know that this camera is named as test camera. Now this is for auto upload on the cloud, which I don't want, so I'll say I'll do this later. And no thanks, no notifications. Let's go. We have our camera ready here. Now we are connected to the camera, and on top you can see it's saying test camera Hero 13 Black, and then it's saying it's connected through the Bluetooth. The card is having 11 hours and 15 minutes, and then the battery is 92%. You have GoPro in use, tap anywhere to use app instead. So if I click on this, I clicked, and now I can control the camera settings here. First of all, I'm gonna enable the preview of the camera. So let me just enable it. This is a tricky thing. Sometimes when you are trying to enable the preview, it doesn't let you. So once it does like that, what you need to do is you need to reset the network on GoPro and then connect it again, and then for the next times it will not do anything wrong. So it's starting the preview now. There you go. Now if I point the camera at me, this is me, hello, hello. So you can see if I flip it like this, now I have the camera settings like this, so I can see myself. Hello.